Hey, to turn off Talkback on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first of all, you will have to use your two fingers to swipe up and open the up drawer. Now, click on the settings, and when they are selected, you have to quickly double tap. So take a look. Select settings and then double tap. Then we have to scroll down with the two fingers, remember about this, and select the accessibility and double tap. Select Talkback and double tap. Now click on the on, double tap, select turn off and also double tap. If it doesn't work, select cancel, select turn off and then quickly double tap.
Talkback off.
And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.